I'm legally blind. At one point in time, I thought, I'm not gonna be able to work anymore. My name is Charles and I work for Sephora. I've been in Sephora for 2 years now in their distribution center, Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm a packer, and it's towards the end of the line before any of the product and boxes go on the truck.
I'm Frank and I'm an operations supervisor. I work directly with Charles. Charles has a great soul. He can just change the mood in the room. He's the inspiration here at the facility. Sephora works with programs on a monthly basis to hire associates with disabilities. Once they complete the program, we find the best area fit for them.
Growing up, I had sight, and 5 years ago, I lost it due to glaucoma. At the time, I was working, driving a moving van, and fortunately, I was going down the highway, and everything was cloudy, and I could barely see the roads or any other cars, and I knew then something was wrong. Glaucoma is an eye disease caused by nerve damage. I can still see colors, and I can see shapes, I can see shadows. I just love being here with these people. I really do. They're good-hearted people. They're good working people. And we love working together. I love being around them. I love making them laugh. We all provide energy for one another. We take care of each other like a family. And that's what I love about it. When you got a disability, you can't let that disability take over your life and ruin your goals. My goal is to get as far as I can in this company and to do the best job that I possibly can.
I've learned working with associates with disabilities. They're some of the most focused people, hardworking, focused on the process, focused on hitting that rate, focused at their performance, their quality, really keyed in on what their job is.
I just like to inspire people, and this whole Sephora experience was a blessing for me. At one point in time, I thought, I'm not gonna be able to work anymore. And now I can be myself again. Somebody's gotta laugh around here, and we are a team, and we work good together. And I'm proud to be a part of this team. I love it.